In this tutorial, I'll show you how to request a refund for a Steam game. By the end of this video, you'll have submitted a complete refund request for a game you purchased on Steam directly from the Steam desktop app. First, open Steam. Launch the Steam app on your computer and wait for the main window to load. Make sure you're on the home screen and that the top menu bar is visible. Next, click Help. Look to the top left of the Steam window, open the Help menu, and click it to reveal the options. From here, select Steam Support. This opens Steam's support area inside the client where you can manage purchases and request help. You'll see several categories on screen. Now, click Purchases. This section lists your recent transactions and any content you've bought. Open it to view the games and items tied to your account. Select the game, find the specific game you want to refund in the list. If you have many purchases, scroll to locate it. Click the game title to open its support page. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct product before moving on. Click I would like a refund. On the game support page, look for the refund option and select it. This begins the refund request process. Don't worry, clicking this doesn't remove the game immediately. It just opens the request form. Choose reason. You'll be prompted to select why you're requesting a refund. Click the option that best matches your situation. Clear, accurate information here helps Steam review your request efficiently. If a brief description box appears, type a short, factual note describing the issue. Select refund method. Choose where you'd like the refund to go. You can typically send it back to your original payment method or to your Steam wallet. Pick the method you prefer, then confirm your selection on screen. Click Submit Request. Before you submit, quickly review the game title, the refund reason, and the refund destination to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Submit Request. You should see a confirmation that your refund request has been sent. Keep the Steam window open for a moment to confirm the status updates, and watch for a confirmation email associated with your account. At this point, you've followed every step needed to request a refund for a Steam game using the Steam support page inside the desktop client. Your refund request has been submitted successfully. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.